Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make terracotta colored clay out of polymer clay. So you're going to start with 3 different colors of Premo clay. I use cayenne red, regular green, and orange. And you want to find one of your cutters. I used just a round cutter here and cut out equal pieces. So I do 4 of the red, 1 green, and 4 orange. They all have to be the same size. And now you want to blend it together. I start off by stacking it up and just rolling it all together, and then I run it through the pasta machine at one of the highest settings. That really makes it blend pretty quickly. And I have to apologize for my voice. I'm getting over a cold, and this isn't my normal voice. But I had to get this video out there, so sorry. Okay, so I'm just running it through the pasta machine now. And here it is. I just love the color of terracotta clay. It looks so natural and beautiful. And this color works so well in any season. And the great thing about this recipe is that you can use any red, any green, any orange. I've used burnt orange before and like bright cherry red with a minty green, and it turned out really pretty. So you can play with this recipe as much as you want. Here I'm going to add some white just to show you what it looks like if you lighten it up a little bit. I just mix it up, and here it is lightened up a little bit. Now I'm just going to lighten it up a little bit more just to show you what it looks like a little bit lighter. Add another piece of white and run it through the pasta machine a few times or mix it by hand. And look at that. Now I'm going to show you a style that I decided to make out of these. I'm using a texture tool to make some lines. And I always like making my own shapes out of these cutters. I found these at Hobby Lobby. They're extremely flexible, and you can pretty much make whatever shape you want. So I'm going to just kind of bend these a little bit and try to make them into like a little organic looking wave. And these would be pretty left alone as well, but I really like how that looks. And do the same for this one. I'm pressing as lightly as possible while still trying to get the shape I like. Oops. I should have left it the first time. Okay. I think that works. And now I'm using some white Premo clay as for the post. Now you want to turn on your oven to 275 and bake for 40 minutes. And here they are. The color didn't change that much in the oven. think they look great. Now I'll just show you what the finished piece looks like. So I'm going to use my Dremel to drill a hole and put these together. I use a Dremel 7300, and I don't know what size this bit is, but large enough to make a hole that can fit a jump ring through it. Just press down. And you can't really see what I'm doing, but I just go up and down a few times to make sure the hole is like completely even on the inside. Okay, so I wasn't sure what jump ring to use, so I took out silver, rose gold, and regular gold. And I just kind of put them all together to see which looked the best. This is silver, and it looks good, but I think the gold would look better. I'm using my finger here instead of another pliers, but I would not suggest doing that unless you want to break a nail. I love the rose gold, so we'll keep that and then compare with the gold. And the gold looks really pretty too. I just love how these turned out, and these ones are for me, so I know there's some flaws, but I plan on fixing those later. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video.